Very good morning, my dear students, and welcome to Digital World of Patania Public School. Today we do expressions. What is the meaning of expression? Expression means the combination of operators, the combination of variables, the combination of literal. In short, we can say that when one or more operation are combined together is your expression. In expression, maybe more than two operators, more than two literals, or more than two variables also. Python put in this way a valid combination of atoms. What do you mean by the atoms? An atom is something that has a value, that has a value, that has a identifiers, literal, string, list, tuple, dictionary. These all are your atoms. And operator forms a Python expression. In simplest word, an atom is something that has a value. For example, we write down a is equal to 10. So your a is the name of the variable, a is the name of your identifier. This is your atom. So all of these are atoms in Python: identifier, literal, and value in clause, just such as quotes, such as parentheses, such as brackets, etc. String, tuple, list, dictionary, sets, etc. These all are your atoms. And the combination of atoms and operators are your expressions. The expression in Python can be of any type: arithmetic expression, logical expression, relational expression, your compound expression, or you can say your string expression. So these type of expressions are there in the Python language. The expression in Python can be any type, and the types of operator and operand used in an expression determine the expression type. For example, you write down a plus b is greater than the a minus c. So this is your expression. And which type of expression? Here is the arithmetic expression, and this is your relational: less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. So this is your expression. Let us talk about these one by one. Arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression means uh, involve numbers, in which involves number, integer, floating point number, complex number, and arithmetic operators. And arithmetic operator means your plus, minus, multiply, divide, floor division, or your mode. These all are your arithmetic expressions. So when you write down a plus b, so this complete is your expression. For example, minus c, so this is your arithmetic expression. Okay. And for example, you write down a plus b divided by 2. So this is also your arithmetic operation. In relational expression, an expression having literal and or variable, literal or variable of any valid type. Valid type means your integer type, your floating type, any type. And relational operator is a relational expression. Relational operator means your greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. These all are your relational operator. For example, these are valid relational expression: x greater than y less than is equal to z, z not equal to. This is the symbol for not equal to, or you write down in this way also. Okay, so this is your not equal to. Here you can see x equal to y and y not equal to z. So these type of statement is your expression. And which type of expression? Relational. Why? Because here relational operator is there, and this is also a relational operator. So we can say relational expression. Logical expression, we already know: and, or, and not. These all are your logical operator. And when we combine with the literal and variable, then your logical expression will be framed. Next is your string expression. String. String means group of characters. String means group of characters. Python also provide two string operator: plus and multiply. plus and multiply when combined with string operand and integer form string expression. See, with plus operator, the concatenation operator, the operand should be of string type only. What is the meaning of that? This means when you write down, for example, computer plus science. So this plus operator here work as a concatenation operator. So it combine the two expression, it combine the two strings, it combine the two options. For example, we write down Sumita plus Aurora. So combined. So plus operator is a concatenation operator and it combine the two string here. But when you write down the multiple sign, so it replicate the word, it replicate the string, it replicate your character. So for example, you write down a multiply 2, so the answer of this is a double a. Okay, for example, we write down here this example, and multiply 2, so and is your string and multiply 2 means 2 time. So replication of your word, replication of your string. So what is the output of this? And this is the output of this. More about the string we learn in the chapter number 10. Here only we learn about the evaluating expression and evaluating arithmetic expression. Evaluating arithmetic expression means when you write down your a plus b, a minus b, a plus c. So these type of operators including your operands as your arithmetic expression. Evaluate each of its operands or argument. Performs any implicit conversion prompting int, float, bool, integer type for arithmetic and mixed type. Mixed type means when you write down a plus b is greater than a minus c. So this is your mixed type. First here is, you see these are your arithmetic operator and this is your relational. So these type of statement are your mixed type. For implicit conversion rules of Python, read the text given after the rules. Compute its result based on the operator. Always every expression compute with the operator. Compute with the result based on the operator. Replace the sub expression with the computed result and carry on the expression evaluation. And same like that, your relational expressions. In your relational expression, same like that, a is greater than b, a is divided by b, sorry, a is less than is equal to b. These all type of statements are your relational expressions. And here in example number 17, you can see the arithmetic expression like a comma b is equal to 3 comma c. And when you write down b divided by a, so b is your 6 and divided by a means here a is your 3. So what is the answer of this? Your 2. So you see both are the integer value, so it display the answer 2.0. But when you write down double divided by sign, this means your floor division, and floor division only display the answer in your integer type. So here your answer is only 2, but here in division your answer is 2.0. We have already learned these in arithmetic operator. Yes, now your relational expressions. Relational expression always give the answer in true and false. Here you see print a less than b and your less than equal to c. What is the difference between the operator and the expression? Expression means the combination of your literal, variable, list, tuples, or your all the operators, and so more than two or operators and more than two variables, and combination of your identifier, variable, tuple and string is your expressions. But operator only the symbol. For example, plus symbol, divide symbol, less than symbol, less than equal to symbol, greater than symbol. These all are your operators. Okay, so all the statements are your expression, and when we put with the relational operator, that means your relational expression, but when we put with the arithmetic operator, that means your arithmetic expressions. Okay, so you do the practically also and learn these expressions, your arithmetic expression and your relational expressions and your logical expressions also. Here you can see the one example: 5 less than 10, 10 less than 5, or 3 and or 3 less than 18 and not 8 less than 18. So what is the answer of this? False. Why? Because 5 less than 10, 5 less than 10, yes, but 10 less than 5, no. So the answer is false. But here you see, or 3 less than 18, yes, and not 8 less than, here is the false answer. So one term is your, one statement is your true, and next one is your false, so your answer always displayed in false. So relational expression always give the answer in true and false form, and your relational operator give always your answer in true and false, and your arithmetic operation always give the answer in calculating form. Okay, so these all are your expressions. Better you can learn these all, and in next video we meet with the typecasting.